In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to make a professional product commercial using Canva in 2025. Whether you're promoting a new item, showcasing your brand, or creating an ad for social media, Canva makes the process fast, creative, and beginner-friendly. Let's get started. Head over to the Canva website and in the search bar, type product commercial. This will open up a wide range of ready-made templates designed specifically for product presentations and marketing videos. Take a moment to scroll through and preview these templates. Find one that best matches the mood, tone, and style you want for your brand. Once you've found the right fit, click on it and then select the option that says Customize this template. Your chosen template will now open inside Canva's editing workspace, and this is where the fun begins. The great thing about Canva is how flexible it is. You can modify nearly every element to make your commercial look completely original. Start by updating the text elements. Replace the placeholder text with your product name, features, and a clear call to action. Think of short, impactful lines that catch attention, like experience the new you or upgrade your routine today. Adjust the font, size, and color to match your brand style. Bold, readable fonts and high contrast colors always work best for video ads. Next, let's work on the visuals. Click on the Uploads tab from the left sidebar and upload high-quality images or short clips of your product. The clearer and more detailed your visuals are, the more appealing your final ad will look. Drag and drop your uploaded files into the existing placeholders, and Canva will automatically adjust the layout to fit perfectly. Now, enhance your commercial with some creative touches. Explore Canva's stock elements like icons, stickers, or overlays to highlight product features. You can even experiment with animations to make text or images move in a dynamic way. These subtle motions give your ad a more professional and engaging feel. As you refine your design, make sure everything flows smoothly. Keep a balance between visual excitement and clear information. Your goal is to catch attention instantly while clearly communicating your product's key benefits. When you're happy with your final look, it's time to export. Click on the download button at the top right corner and choose your preferred format. Canva lets you download your video in high quality, perfect for uploading directly to YouTube, Instagram, or any social media platform. And that's it. With just a few clicks and some creativity, you've created a polished product commercial in Canva. It's an effective way to make your brand shine and showcase your products with style. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide inspires you to start designing your own professional commercials today.